Our water bottle is what we're going to use to represent our rain. You need to remember as you start watching the rain falling, what you are to be focusing on for this activity. So here comes the rain. Take a close look at some of these puddles and thinking about
this one's a real good one to look closely at.
And look at the shape of our land and what different things might be representing in this model. Ooh, it's kind of gross over here.
Yeah.
Looks like there's a puddle kind of near the parking lot by the soccer field. Ooh. And if we come back over here by the farm, we've got a puddle right here by the crops. There's a puddle that's taken over the barn. I guess the barn got flooded. Look at the cows and that mess over there by the cows. All right, our rainstorm is about over. Let's take one last look before we're going to be answering some questions. At our mountain landscape with our low-lying areas around the outside, and we've got a high elevation right there in the middle.